Hello guys, and welcome back to Skills Academy. In this video, I am giving you 6 ways to fix the Western Union error code C2002. These errors can hinder your ability to send or receive money using the Western Union service on your mobile device. However, there's a relatively simple method to try and fix these issues, which typically arise from app glitches or data corruption. Here are the steps you can take to try and resolve the error of Western Union mobile app. 1. Clear the app cache. This is often the first and easiest step to try. Go to the settings on your mobile device, find the Western Union app under your installed applications. Look for an option to clear the cache. This action won't delete your personal data or account information, but will clear temporary files that may have become corrupted and are causing this error. 2. Check your internet connection. Because sometimes these errors can be due to a poor or unstable internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network, that your mobile data connection is stable. You might want to try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. 3. Restart your device. If clearing the cache doesn't help, a simple restart of your mobile device can sometimes resolve underlying issues. Turn your device off completely, wait for a few moments, and then turn it back on. This can help to reset the system and potentially fix the error. 4. Wait and retry. If the error continues, it might be due to a temporary issue with the Western Union service itself. In such case, waiting for a while and then trying again later can sometimes resolve the problem. If not, 5. Update the app. Make sure that your Western Union app is up to date. Developers frequently release updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Check the App Store on your iOS or Android device to see if there's an update available for the Western Union app. 6. Reinstall the app. If none of the above steps works, try reinstalling and then installing the Western Union app. This can help to remove any deep-seated issues with the app's installation on your device. Also, just remember these steps are general troubleshooting tips and might not work for everyone. If the problem persists, it's best to contact Western Union customer support for more personalized assistance. They can provide guidance specific to your situation and help resolve issues related to your account or the app functionality. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more.